Have you noticed the sentiment in commodities is up plus 0.08, alongside a momentum spike of plus 0.20? This isn't just noise, it suggests a potential shift in sentiment that you shouldn't ignore. With 14 semantic clusters identified, there's a significant uptick in positive discussions around commodities today compared to the historical baseline. This means you have real-time insights to inform your trading strategy or risk assessments. For example, you could leverage this data to optimize your asset allocation, focusing on commodities that show this increased momentum. The API returns detailed sentiment scores, momentum indicators, and semantic clusters, allowing you to dig deep into the data you need. Ready to get started? Check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.